Well, there's some construction going on.
Yeah, it's nice.
They're working on a pool right here.
I mean, online it looked like the pictures were a little bit better.
Yeah, I totally agree. It looks
even the exterior, everything.
yeah.
But it's still a nice hotel.
Yeah, the photos on the price line, I think, they were like uber modern,
Yeah, it's
but
not modern.
but it's
and the
not.
exterior too. It's not
Yeah,
modern.
it's not modern at all.
But renovated, nice.
Yeah,
Everything's great. Do we have a fridge?
yeah.
Let's see it. Oh. No.
There's no fridge.
Oh, yeah. It looks like a safe. It's a fridge.
So it's there.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's there. For some reason, no lights work. I don't understand why. So yeah, so it's apparently it's our first time when you come into some of the hotels, the lights, everything won't work until you, I guess, put in the card. Yeah, so now it turns on, but before it wouldn't.
I think all the budgeting went to the bathroom because it's really nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. The tiles and everything.
I mean, it doesn't, like, a hotel doesn't have to be brand new and everything, as long as it's great
Mm-hmm.
and clean and works, so
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And
Well-
it's comfortable, actually. The sofa is very soft and the bed's soft.
Yeah. So in Europe you have a toilet which is separate from the bathroom.
And it's actually convenient that way,
Yeah.
because someone can take a shower and the toilet itself is always open.
Is it tier A, B? What do you think, toilet? It doesn't have a warming and it doesn't have a bidet.
What does it have?
Nothing. Just the flush button.
Yeah, what kind of buttons are?
Just a small flush, big flush, you know.
Yeah, it's probably B.
So it's a B tier.
It's
Toilet.
not bad because you can choose
Yeah.
more than one option.
Alright.
So it's a really nice mineral water. It's it doesn't have too many bubbles, just a little bit.
They have different degrees of
Yeah.
sparkling water. This one is like weak.
Just a
Sparkling
little
water.
bit, but it's nice, and they even have spoons and just everything you need basically. So it doesn't matter that it's.
They also serve breakfast for, I think it was 80 zlotys.
18.
80. It's probably like $20 per person.
Yeah, it's not cheap,
Yeah, so we declined it.
and it's just breakfast, so it's just better to get your own breakfast.
So the airport in United States, for some reason we got our
The TSA.
toothpaste confiscated by TSA, and they found something, I don't know what exactly, but the alarm went off that if something is explosive, like they said that we can't take it on board.
And it was just like a natural toothpaste by the Hello brand.
But for some, yeah, Hello brand, it's not anything unusual. But the funny thing is, he told us, the guy at TSA, that we can take it with our carry-on, but we can check it in and put it on board, even though he said it's explosives in toothpaste. But we got this disposable brush and toothpaste from this Novotel hotel. They were very gracious to give that to us, which is great. So now we have something to brush our teeth with. Okay, so let's open that up and see what's inside. So the toothpaste is actually made of wood.
Wow.
Actually, it's bamboo.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fancy.
And then here's the packet that contains the toothpaste.
Wow.
Yeah, it's small, but I would say it's good for 2 times at least, maybe 3.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, it's a white glow something. 2-in-1 with mouthwash. Sustainable, biodegradable toothpaste.
Great.
Their ingredients, eco-friendly. All right. Novotel for you.
So we had a great night. It's a nice hotel. Here's some decaf coffee with cream.
So we picked up the car.
Yeah, it's an Audi.
Yeah, so they have budget Alamo and another one, I forgot, Enterprise altogether.
With a different chase.
And
With a Sapphire card.
yeah, the Chase Sapphire card that will make a reservation.
Yeah, that's good cashback.
And
And do international without fees.
no foreign transaction fees, correct. And yeah, everything was smooth, and we're on the way to pick up the car. It's somewhere down there.
They spoke great English.
Yeah, they were very polite, professional.
Just use the key to
Find the car, yeah. Yeah, it's a SUV, quite large.
Yeah,
Very nice car.
it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, I'm driven Audi before.
That's what we're gonna be driving today. So we had just a few marks on the car.
They said it was just like a polishing
Yeah,
thing.
so that's not a problem for them. But if you have like very visible scratches, then that's a problem.
The You even have a GPS here, which is something we haven't used before. And it's a big car, so the front is a bit big. So we'll have to drive slow and get used to it. Too many buttons here. Lots of things on the screen, so you have to really know what you're doing. But it's convenient, I guess, when you get used to it. The only thing is that it's much bigger than our car, so. That's the only thing I have to be careful of. But it would be probably nice on the highway. So here's the garage where all the rental cars are. And we have a ticket for the, it's probably here. A ticket to get out of the garage.
Now turn left.
It's a funny English voice here. So here's the... And the ravens are singing. Oh great, you can go now. Great.
So where are we going? To the right?
So we're going
Please turn left after 200 meters.
Yeah, so just follow. You can't turn left here.
Yeah, I don't know. What is he saying? Maybe we should turn
No,
left.
no, I think it's just, yeah, we'll keep it.
So it means...
Yeah,
So turn left.
and then, yeah, just not used to this kind of GPS.
Yeah.
Now turn left.
Yeah, Google's a bit better.
Can we change somehow how it looks?
I don't know. I tried doing that.
Oh man, it sucks. I need to follow them.
Yeah,
Now turn left.
so this is hilarious.
Yeah, it requires a bit getting used to.
Here's apple juice, orange juice.
Oh, maybe that one.
Yeah.
It's 100% orange juice.
And if you get the Auchan brand, it's usually cheaper. So here it is. This one.
So nectar is actually not that concentrated compared to juice, which is
Right.
sock.
Um,
So juice or sock is a concentrated.
so you want to get this one?
Well, it's what it is.
Yeah. Maybe if they have strawberry too. I know they also have compote with like pieces, so you can buy that too. What about strawberry? So raspberry is malina.
Well, they have żurawina, which is probably cranberry.
So we're on this S17 road to Lublin from Warsaw. It's a highway. There should be some rest stops along the way. We'll see how they are.
Yeah, the road is very smooth. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's, the interesting thing is they don't really show the speed limits here for some reason. Like in the US, for instance, when you enter the highway from the sideways, there's always like a speed limit sign always. But here, like, I haven't seen it in like, miles, except when it's lower than what it should be. I guess you need to know that.
And when we visited the Auchan store, we got some food, and these jarred, they're vegan, but they're jarred, canned, like, homemade Polish foods. They're like $2, 7 zloty.
Everything was cheap for us.
These are like meatballs made from soy, and they're just light and good on the road. And nice sauces here too. So we also got this mineral water, and we thought it was
It was like highly carbonated, but it turned out to be medium or something.
yeah, so basically in Europe you have different levels of carbonation. Yeah. So this one is niska nasychena, so it's low carbonation. Yeah, I thought this wysoko, I thought that I automatically thought that meant great carbonation, so we got it, but we didn't look further. It's nice water, it tastes good. And we also ate these stuffed cabbages made with like soy meat, and these had less fat in them. The other meatballs, they're pretty fatty actually. Interesting. So we also got these herring snacks, so it's basically
with cranberry.
Pickled herring, and we're gonna try them with this pumpernickel bread, I guess.
It's a German bread, right? I mean, it's type of German.
I guess, yeah. So here's the Polish countryside near Lublin. It's gotten sunny now.
Getting close to the border with Ukraine.
Yeah, pretty close. Yeah, there's a lot of Ukrainian people here. You can hear them speak. Every corner there's a Ukrainian person. And a lot of signs to help Ukraine, and when we got out of the store, also people were collecting donations. So more Poland countryside, almost Ukraine. It's close to the border, so it's pretty much Ukraine. Looks very similar, the fields and everything, like Ukraine. And this highway is a bit smaller, so the Audi is a bit annoying to drive because
Why?
it's too much in control of itself compared to you being in control.
Yeah, they have cameras installed all over the vehicle, and they know if I get close to the side of the lane,
yeah.
It starts to complain. Oh, take over the steering wheel! Like, what the hell, man? Or it started doing that all of a sudden for no reason. There was no problem at all.
Yeah, but what if like there's a crazy driver in front of you and you need to like really get off the road completely?
Yeah,
you can't do it.
The thing is with this control is that it's the wheel, it gets stiff. Like it's much more difficult for me to start like navigating. It's annoying.
It's annoying about these smart cars because they
good old school. Just
you lose control. Maybe there's a way to like remove all those things, but
probably
it's so complicated.
When you start a car, it was saying something like, "Oh, set up your profile." So maybe